Hi, this is Sarah from Rich Packing. Some of our customers are actually asking about the packing for the orders, and this is actually part of my work routine to check the packing. So now we have a lot of orders to be shipped in our warehouse, so come with me now, I'll show you the full details. So this is the machine that we're gonna send for our customers. As you can see here, the machine has been installed and assembled as a whole piece before shipping. And this is our senior engineer, Mr. Yan. He's responsible for the inspection, testing, and configuration of the machine just to make sure that it is running smoothly before we send it out. Usually, some of the customers will come to our warehouse to inspect the product by themselves. If they are not available, we can send them a video of our inspection. For this preparation, 96.8% of the customer come back with the happy feedback because all they need to do is just to connect the power, water, and compressed air, as simple as that. After the configuration, the machine will be put on a wooden board, which added a solid wooden base with screws that can tighten and support the heavy weight of the machine. So let me test how sturdy this wooden base is. Okay, clearly the weight is not enough. How about this? Adding the weight of a whole team of strongmen? Still not enough? Even if you put an elephant with the weight of 3 to 5 tons, this wooden base can still support the weight of that, as some of our machines are actually as heavy as an elephant. Next, we will have 3 layers film wrapping for the machine in order to protect against water, moisture, dust, and scratches. If you need additional support, we also offer vacuum packing for a further level of moisture resistance and anti-collision foam to prevent damage during shipping. After putting in the wooden box, we also added a corner protector to safeguard the edge against damage. Besides, we also add a steel strap to hold everything in place. When loading a container, there will be reinforcement securing straps to reduce the risk of damage from collisions as well. Finally, during the container loading process, we take extra precautions for reinforcement as well. Between the wooden boxes, in order to prevent collisions during transportation, we added multiple thick wooden planks and secured them tightly with nails, ensuring that the boxes are fixed firmly. Lastly, before sealing the container, we further strengthen the wooden planks to keep the boxes securely in place. Box 1, box 2, and then connect together, and then here also connect together. So you wouldn't move it out, you see? And now here also. So solid packing to anti-damage and collision during shipping. With these multiple layers of reinforcement, you can rest assured that your machine will arrive in perfect condition. After this video, do you have a clear idea of our packing details now? We take pride in our meticulous process in delivering not just a product, but also a peace of mind for our customers. If you need additional information, don't hesitate to contact us.